right, well, we were waking up to a nice crisp morning this morning, clear blue skies, the sun is shining. It rained yesterday and all through the night, but when we pulled in, we were able to get a fire going before the rain and cook up some burgers on the fire. This is a pay campground. It's $25 a night. It's a little expensive, but man, the showers were super hot, so we're taking advantage of the showers. There is electricity here, so Kelly could plug in her electric heater. So it was worth it. We kind of call it our vacation when we actually spend money to camp. But we're going to be moving out today with the clear skies and sunshine. We're going to try to get in another hike in the park here and then figure out in the afternoon what we want to do. If we want to spend another night here, continue south. I'm thinking we'll spend another night or at least two and then move on south. We probably won't stay in the campground. We'll just find somewhere to park and just overnight. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to get back in the van. It's still a little chilly. I got the diesel heater on. Warming things up. You can probably hear it cranking. And with the rain, I do bring my mountain bike inside. The van is kind of a mess now because of that. It's doable, but it's a little tight. It just makes it tough to like get in my drawer. I can slide the bike out of the way and get in my drawer and access my food and stuff, but just try to keep it out of extreme weather as much as possible. I do have a rain cover for it for when it's back there in light rain, but with the freezing temps as well, I've just been trying to bring it inside. So that's how I handle that. It's time to get some hot water on and have some tea. All right, this morning we're doing up, it's become a little bit of a semi-tradition here. Got some fried eggs happening. Spam and egg sandwich with some sriracha mayo. That was a little bit more fit for your slice.
They're on top of old spammy.
There, looking good.
Cooked to
Let's see, how do I want it? I think that way.
Choose wisely.
Looking good. And then, of course, it needs to be cut diagonally.
Triagonals.
Triagonals. Yep, got escaped.
Oh, he's jumping shit.
Got an escapee. There it is. We gotta cut yours. Officially got it on camera. It's our new response to everything I say. There you go, buddy.
Oh no.
It's a thing. It's good. All right, it's turning out to be a nice sunny, clear day here. The sun has warmed things up quite a bit. We are getting ready to go on a mountain bike ride. Getting geared up here. Oh, this is the Blevins farmstead. 1920s. Looks like it's boarded up. Pretty cool, 1920s. All right, that is it. Back to the gravel road. That was a fun trail. Could do that again. There we are, home sweet home. That was a fun one.
It's a good ride.
Well, we're waking up at our camp here near the big South Fork River. We found this little grass area down this gravel road. It's worked out really good. Been able to camp here for free and then go in and enjoy all the hiking trails and everything. Just enjoying the heck out of Tennessee so far. This is a beautiful park. I would definitely recommend it. Don't know how crowded it gets in the summer months, but I've heard it's a little less crowded than like the Great Smoky Mountains, so definitely worth checking out. The adventure continues. All right, let's do this. a stop at the bathrooms there in the park before hitting the road. And a fella pulled up in a little SUV, recognized me from my videos from Charlotte, North Carolina, so I just wanted to give a shout out to Steve. Pleasure to meet you, man. Hope you have a good time on your little vacation there. Get some good hiking in. Made my day, brother. Hey, we're going to be getting on Interstate 75 South here. Looks like gas is $1.89, fuel $2.71 around here. Continue south towards Knoxville, Tennessee. Going to be pulling off here in Rocky Top, Tennessee. Fuel up and take a little break. Good old Rocky Top, Tennessee. I really didn't need to come through here, but I just kind of know the song. Wanted to check out what Rocky Top is all about. I believe they have a lot of coal mining history here. These buildings are all shut down, not being used. Forgotten Rocky Top. Looks like about it for downtown Rocky Top. Probably just going to turn around and go get gas up and get back on the interstate. Well, we did it overnight in a parking lot here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Went really good, no problems at all. So we are just getting up. Kelly's got her van fired up. She's going to head over to a Starbucks. She's got some internet stuff to do. And yeah, just a real mellow lot. No problems at all. We got a special day planned. We're going to meet up with a couple that reached out to me through the YouTube channel. They've been in Knoxville, Tennessee for quite a while. And they have a business here, a screen printing shop. And we're going to stop by and meet up with Bob and his wife Jenny and hopefully get a look at the shop and their operation there and possibly print up some t-shirts. So it should be fun. Looking forward to it. We'll be crossing over the Tennessee River into South Knoxville. That's a pretty wide river. Wow. Looks like a lot of new apartment buildings here. Sign JFG Special Coffee. Knoxville Bolt and Screw. We are looking for a bright yellow building. Looks like I see it up ahead. We can park in back here. Yeah. Oh, that looks good. Nice. So I just two swipes?
Yeah, I just check your cover.
Yeah.
Normally black on color. Yeah, it's got to cure it for like
Okay.
a minute and a half or something like that at 300 degrees. That's 900 degrees now.
Oh, okay. So you can touch that and it's dry.
No, it's hot.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Bob, am I done? That's it. Picture.
Very cool, thank you. Nice, thanks guys. Turned out good. All right, well this is Bob and Jenny of Borderland Tees here in South Knoxville, Tennessee. They've been super hospitable to us, printed up some t-shirts for me, and we've had a chance to just sit and chat and get some great stories from some locals here. So I just want to give you guys a big thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
It has been a pleasure.
Yeah. Blessings on your journey. Stay safe.
Appreciate it. Their business is Borderland Tees here in South Knoxville, so if any of y'all need any t-shirts, these are the guys to get in touch with. Appreciate it, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to give another big thank you to Bob and Jenny at Borderland Tees. You guys, thank you so much. It was really a pleasure to get to know you a little bit, have you guys pin up those t-shirts and show us around the shop. You've got an awesome work crew there working for you. Those guys were just super kind and welcoming and fun to be around. And it was just a pleasure to get to know you. Bob and Jenny are very special people. They're doing a lot for their community there in South Knoxville. A lot behind the scenes. They really do help a lot of people out. And I'm just honored to have met them and spent some time getting to know them. So thank you again, guys. As far as having any t-shirts available, me and Bob talked briefly about that. Typically, through his business, they don't do individual t-shirt sales. It's more of a batch for businesses and organizations. But he did mention that they may be willing to make an exception and have some individual t-shirts with my logo available through their website. So I'm going to talk with Bob some more, and I will let you guys know if we make that happen here in the near future. If anyone's interested in t-shirts like that, let me know. I'm thinking of doing some variations on the logo and some other types of sayings on the t-shirts. So let me know in the comment section if you guys would be interested in some t-shirts. Also, I just wanted to give a big thank you to anyone who has reached out to me through email or in the comments, offering up a place for me and Kelly to park or stay while we're on the road. It just means so much to me. Really, thank you. For somebody I've never met to reach out and offer up a place to park or stay on their property, I can't thank you enough. If I have not replied to your email, I apologize. I do get a ton of emails, a lot of junk email and businesses reaching out to me, wanting me to endorse their products and stuff, and it's hard to sift through them all and get back in a timely manner. So if I haven't gotten back to you, I apologize, and if you have reached out, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Me and Kelly are making our way down to Florida eventually, probably be there sometime after the new year. So if there's any nomads, travelers, snowbirds, residents in Florida that want to try to either meet up or have some suggestions of places of where we could camp and places to check out, let me know in the comment section. You can always email me at AdventureVanLife@gmail.com. I'll leave that email in the video description. Again, it's hard for me to get back in a timely manner, but I will do my best. I'm thinking of maybe trying to do a meetup of some sort the end of January, maybe early February. If any of you know like a central place in Florida at like a park or something where we could all gather and have a meetup during a day, I think that would be awesome. And yeah, so that's something I'm kind of thinking about. Otherwise, I hope you all are doing very well out there. I look forward to seeing you soon in the next video. And happy holidays. We'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.